Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going over something that I really don't see a lot of videos about, and that's going to be how to find trends, spot trends for Amazon FBA products. Alright guys, welcome back. We are going to be going over spotting trends on Amazon. So it's really simple. I'm gonna really just cut right to it, and I'll get to it as soon as you hit the like button. It takes 2 seconds, please go do it. And subscribe if you're new here. So let's head over to Kickstarter, which is the first place we'll be going. I haven't said that yet, so I don't know why I said it like you already knew, but Kickstarter is the first place we're gonna be going. So we can spot trends using Kickstarter. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna go to Explore and then Trending, okay? And you see there's almost 500,000 projects here. And for those of you who don't know, Kickstarter is basically where you pitch an idea to the world and people can fund you on like a donation basis. So we're essentially just looking at ideas that people, excuse me, I don't know why I'm burping. We're looking at ideas that people are pitching, and then we're gonna go see if it's patented, and if it's not, it's a great thing to sell on Amazon because you can see, you know, there's pocket-sized reusable cutlery and chopsticks. 720,000 pounds pledged. And that's 14,000% pledged. So is that 5,000? Something like that. And 300,000 pledged. So there's people interested in these products. That's the point. What in the world is that? Shape Fixer Sun Hat Light. The Shape Flexor Sun Hat Light. Lightweight version of a shape flexor. Bendable, shaping, crushable, portable. Okay, it's just a sun hat. Got it. Brim won't droop. It floats. You could shape it how you want. Stop the brim. Okay, lightweight version. Oh, okay, just a lightweight version of the shape flexor. Okay, I guess that's an existing sun hat. So what we would do in theory, I don't know how good this will be. I think it's technically clothing. Crushable. Crushable sun hat. Oh, crushable sun hats. Yeah, I guess it was a decent one. Maybe not, because I don't think that's what this is. Yeah, I don't think this is going to be a win. That's Kickstarter. We'd go in here, you go to Trending, Explore, then Trending, and quite literally you could figure out trends. Okay, Mesmo coin. Kinetic desk toy. So this is a $100,000 pledged. It only went live 30 days ago. Okay, so it's literally just like a desktop fidget spinner. Got it. Cool. So what we would do is, well, first go to Amazon, not really Alibaba yet. So there's not a Mesmo coin here because they probably trademarked that. Can't do anything magnetic, but I don't think this is magnetic. I think that's just a ball bearing. It's kinetic, but it's not magnetic. And we'll just look at the numbers. So it's essentially just a product research method. That's all we're doing, spotting trends. We're gonna look with Jungle Scout. If you guys don't have Jungle Scouts, what this is, be a link in the description. You actually get $20 off, which is pretty cool. I'm not seeing numbers that are representing a good market, so we'll leave that. There's no revenue there. It's not what that would have looked like back in the fidget spinner days, but again, that's a different term. So yeah, that's Kickstarter. Now you guys can pull this up, and there's going to be a ton more when you look. It's always updating. And this is just in Trending. There's many different parts of Kickstarter. You could go into categories. So let's see, you know, durable backpack, ultimate reusable shopping bag. Look, shopping bag folds up to be that size. So any of these products probably could work. I do just want to move on to the next site though, just to give you guys the most value for this video. I'll give you a bunch of different spots you could pop in and check for those new trends. So the next one we're going to do is we'll just change this one over. It's actually Indiegogo. I-N-D-I-G-O-G-O. Indiegogo. And it's just kind of like Kickstarter in a way, very similar. And again, Explore. And now they have different categories. So you could go look in, you know, like phones and accessories, health and fitness. Maybe we'll do like travel and outdoors. And then you could, yeah, it's already sorted by trending. So voice controlled emoji car display. Like, what is that? Tell a tailgated back offers. That is funny. So that's got $250,000 raised. The all-terrain sneaker ultimate level. Okay. So let's kind of go see how that works. Emoji car display, I guess, is the keyword. So let's go check that out. And now all these aren't gonna be wins. So we're not like setting parameters like we would with the web app, but we're kind of just checking. Okay, so it's right here. The bird share, the bird, ride share, vehicle power kit, quick release mount, tailgate, okay. Yeah, so I'm not seeing it here. That's probably why it's, you know, crowdfunded, so that someone can make it. But yeah, it doesn't look like it's here yet. Sometimes you'll come in here and the product category is already made. For instance, if we did like, what would be the best keyword for that? Like maybe like recycled backpack, or like recycled backpack. Yeah, so it's kind of like that. And let's go actually just check with Jungle Scout and see. And I'm doing this live, so if the ideas suck, it's just because it takes time. Like people think you could just like sit down and like 10 minutes later, like you have a perfect product. It's not always the reality. You know, sometimes it just happens to work out like that, like I find something good. But really the point of the video is I just want to give you guys the resources so that you can go in with your own time. And I've been having fun with this method. I actually found something today that I think is pretty good. Still looking into it. Stop fogging up. Anti-fog tool. Nanotech. Okay. Yeah, so there's a bunch in here. Freshly brewed tea. So it's like a tea brewing mug. Okay, airplane pockets. Stretch fabric over back of someone's seat. I don't know how much they would like that if you did that to them. Person in front of you. 0, reinventing the translator. Interesting. So it's actually a product, probably with an app. The cargo seat for on the go. So it's a booster seat, smaller than a booster. Wherever they go, have it on your child, right? Okay, that's a little weird for them to walk around with the booster seat attached to them, but who am I to judge? So that's the next one, guys. You could go through the accessories here. For instance, if we wanted to go into maybe health and fitness. Yeah, so there's different products in there. So different kind of comb, avoid disease, right? There's tons of different products. And again, I don't want to take up all our time on one site or any individual product, but you would take the product idea, go to Amazon and analyze it with your tool like Jungle Scout or Helium 10, whatever you happen to be using, doesn't really matter. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is going to be Oddity Mall. Oddity Mall, unique gifts. So we can actually come in here and their homepage. I actually kind of like just the homepage. It shows you like the newest ones. Okay, so what is this? Hair braider. Maybe hair braider? Electric hair braider? That might be a little bit dangerous. Thing starts twisting a little too much. Oh, see, like this might be smart. In my old house, our drain used to get clogged all the time. So you just feed it in there. That is smart. So this is called, it's only $8.50, a drain wig. Now that's probably a trademark term, but let's just see if anything comes up. Oh yeah, plenty of stuff. And now, like, let's check with Jungle Scout. Maybe we found something good. This is what we want to see, more or less. I don't know about 17,000 reviews. Okay, that's a totally different product. The tub shroom. Those are doing fantastic. Oh my god. It's really low ticket, but I mean, if it costs 50 cents and you're making $4 per unit, selling 70 per day, I'd take it. Let's see. Again, same thing. So is that two different sellers completely? Flower shaped drain sink hair remover filter chain. I like this one. $14.99. There were 3 reviews. They got 4 of them. Oh, smart. Okay. Because some people have multiple bathrooms. Rich folk. Let's see. Yeah, so there's really not too many listings. And we could go, and that would be called a drain wig, apparently. Drain wig. So that's the actual brand right there. And they have 57. They don't know how to sell on Amazon. Drain wig does not know how to sell on Amazon. Because their first picture is just horrible. That person knows a little bit better. That person definitely knows. Cool. So that's not a bad idea. Now let's go to Alibaba and see. You think the search term will be the same there? I don't know. There's the actual one with the... That's funny. Yeah, they're 17 cents per piece. You'd sell a 3-pack for 50 bucks. That one's a little bit more expensive. I'm thinking change the shape of the top. Not, you know, that's, not everyone wants a little flower on top of their drain. Maybe just do a more neutral one, like just a, I don't know. Don't listen to me right now. Listen to what I'm saying, not my words. Yeah, there you go. So now we would want to check if it's patented. So we're gonna run through the measures. You know, why not? You just search patents, Google patents, drain wig, wig and hairpiece, airflow wig, hydraulic pump, fitting tool for hair, drain curling, wig cleaning device. Not a wig cleaning device, drain hair catcher. Scented hair catcher. It's definitely not scented. And the pictures are really helpful when you're looking for patents. I don't think it is. Shower drain hair trap. The screen, yeah, it's a screen. And I'm not going to look at patents all day, but it doesn't look like it is. You could, if you're ever curious, you could hire someone on Fiverr, do a patent check. We could head over there now, show you how that would work. I know we're kind of bouncing all around, but I think it is beneficial for some people. You do like patent check. I will check if your product infringes patents. Huh. There you go, 25 bucks. I will check patent issue for Amazon listing. I will do lucrative Amazon product research for private label FBA. #1 Amazon FBA product research. Right. I have a video about that on my channel. You guys should go watch that. So that's an idea, right? Let's go to the next one. So we'll leave patents, Alibaba, and Amazon open because that's really what you would need to analyze. I almost said Amazon it. There's tons of good stuff. What are these? Fish slippers? Come on, man. Fish sandals. Those are bass, if I've ever seen one. That's funny. Let's check that out. Bass sandals. For women is the first one. I don't know why I laughed, but I just associate bass fishing to be kind of a manly thing. My aunt is actually a very good bass fisherman. Bass fisher woman, so I shouldn't be talking. Okay, $15,000 for the freaking bass slippers. Are you kidding me? That's not the right thing. Unisex fish slippers. Now we're talking. Everybody's welcome here. Fish slippers. Maybe that'll be better. Fish slippers. Okay. There's quite a few pairs of them. The original fish feet shoes. That is a peacock bass. I know my fish. Let's check. Just changing up the search term a little bit will sometimes show you more results, guys. Okay, yeah, they're all doing fantastic. I'm gonna cut this out of the video and launch this myself. All right, guys, on to the last trending website. So we're at ThinkGeek. I know it's kind of hard to spell it from there, so you just look in the URL. It's actually just thinkgeek.com. You know, I went into a category. If you land on the web page, what you would do, you go shop by category. I went into toys and games. That's where we just were. Cool. So I was looking through here, and I actually went into plush. I don't know why, just that thing looked kind of funny, so I went in there. You got office pranks, cube warfare. That sounds good. Let's go in there. Feisty pets. Feisty pets, I guess. Let's check it out. They are feisty. Look at that. That's horrifying. You do not want to be responsible for selling this. This product is a liability. So, I mean, let's check out the revenue. Maybe it's good. It's decent. I don't see anything really that good. These people have really high reviews. But I mean, if you find someone that, the polar bear is just probably just launched. The unicorn doing great. Unicorn is doing the best. Wow, that is scary. Oh, there's a video. They're really going for it. What are they doing? Oh my god, this is a mission? Oh god. Get it? That thing's gonna blow. There you go. Good job, little fella. How did he know what wire to cut? That was pretty dope. I don't think it said much for what the product does, but sketchy. Feisty pets. Bizarre. Oh, there's another video. It's kind of fun. Oh god. So does it just randomly do that? Oh no, she's not okay with it. Don't throw them like that. Everyone's got an angry side. So it does it automatically. I guess it's like electronic. Oh, you squeeze their back. Okay. Got it. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to start Amazon FBA from beginning to end, even if you're a complete beginner, you could take my course. It is the first link in the description. And it is 100% donation based. Full course. That's right. You can pay whatever you can afford. I hope to see you guys in there, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Other than that, I will see you in the next one.